How to apply filters in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad and load the audio file you want to edit by clicking on File and then Open File, or simply drag and drop the file into the WavePad window. Next, go to the top menu and click on Effects tab. Here you will find variety of filters and effects to choose from, such as Equalizer, Noise Reduction, Reverb, Echo, Fade, and more. Then select the filter you want to apply. For example, if you choose Equalizer, a new window will open where you can adjust different frequency band to enhance or reduce certain sounds. After selecting your filter, adjust the settings according to your preference. You can preview the changes by clicking on the preview button to hear how your audio will sound with the applied filter. Once you are satisfied with the effect, click Apply to add the filter to your entire audio track or the selected portion. Finally, save your edited audio by clicking on File, then Save File or Save File As, and choose your desired format. And that's it. Now you know how to apply filters in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.